Hi there and welcome. My name is Alfonso Rodriguez Cotes and I am a Microsoft Technical Trainer. In this module, we will start exploring the different extensibility options for Microsoft 365 Copilot. We will dive into the different types of agents, the possibility of incorporating knowledge into our graphs, the concept of skills related to plugins, and finally, the different development options. By the end of this module, you'll understand how Copilot and agents collaborate to create a personalized assistant, the types and capabilities of Copilot agents, and how to ground responses using multiple enterprise data sources. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your intelligent assistant, enhancing productivity and business processes. It understands your data and integrates seamlessly with Microsoft applications, optimizing your workflow. How can you use it to unlock value across the business and functions? How can you tap the full value of AI to increase value and also reduce costs across the enterprise? And what if we enable Copilot to leverage business processes within your organization and actually orchestrate these processes? This is how Copilot and agents can help this happen. We envision every employee having a Copilot. There are as many Copilots as there are people, ensuring personalized support for everyone. At this point, maybe you are asking yourself, but what is actually an agent? Simple. An agent is an expert system that operates autonomously on behalf of a process or company. There are significantly more agents than people, ensuring comprehensive support and automation. Do not worry, we will explore agents more in depth in a few moments. But before, let's have a look into the basics of Copilot extensibility, which is the ability to customize and extend Microsoft 365 Copilot with additional knowledge and skills. As a developer, you can extend Microsoft 365 Copilot to build Copilot agents to bring custom knowledge, skills, and process automation into Microsoft 365 Copilot, tailoring it to suit the unique needs of your customers. Copilot agents are fundamentally composed of custom knowledge via instructions or grounding data, custom skills, including actions, triggers, and workflows, and autonomy, including planning, learning, and escalation. IT admins can configure Copilot connectors in Microsoft 365 and powered platform admin centers. This enhances Copilot's knowledge, ensuring relevant and reliable responses, while respecting data access limitations. Agents are specialized versions of Copilot, automating specific business tasks like retrieving information and/or sending emails. They can be customized for roles such as HR or IT help desk. Because Microsoft 365 Copilot serves as an intelligent assistant, enhancing productivity by integrating with your data and the rest of Microsoft applications. Here, in the slide, you can see some practical examples of what you can develop for your organization. Start thinking about the solution you need for your organization as you continue on. Agents are specialized versions of Copilot, automating specific business tasks like retrieving information or sending emails. They can be customized for roles such as HR or IT help desk or any other. Because Microsoft 365 Copilot serves as an intelligent assistant, enhancing productivity by integrating with your data and also the rest of Microsoft applications. Here, in this slide, you can see some practical examples of what you can develop for your organization. Start thinking about the solution you need for your organization as you continue on. All agents share the same basic elements. However, it is down to the specific use case and complexity that dictates which capabilities the agent will have. Let's start with retrieval, designed with specific instructions of how to behave, their personality, and their overall objectives. Agents also will be able to perform some tasks connected to specific workflows or processes. Their primary purpose is to automate repetitive tasks. Finally, agents are autonomous. They operate independently, dynamically planning and learning from the processes. Copilot agents can be built using either a declarative or a custom engine approach. While the difference may not be noticeable to end users, the development methods are distinct, giving you as a developer the flexibility to choose how you want to build them. Declarative agents are essentially a collection of custom knowledge via instructions and grounding data. And custom skills, including actions, triggers, workflows, hosted on top of Copilot Orchestrator and foundation models powering a conversational experience. These agents can be integrated within Microsoft 365 and can utilize Copilot connectors to light up advanced functionality. These declarative agents are ideal for scenarios where you need to tailor Copilot for your specific business needs without extensive coding. Custom engine agents, on the other hand, are developed using custom foundation models and orchestrators that can be tailored to your specific enterprise needs with your own stack. This includes agents built with Copilot Studio, Teams AI Library, Azure AI, etc. Custom engine agents work as standalone Teams apps and in the future as Copilot agents. And these custom engine agents are suitable for enterprises needing highly customized solutions that go beyond the capabilities of the declarative agents. You might be wondering right now which type of agents suits you best, but you have some doubts. Let's try to clarify them a bit because we have more specific models for this later. The main advantage of crafting and consuming a declarative agent is simplicity. As you can see on the screen, you can engage with declarative agents within the same interface of Microsoft 365 Copilot. In that interface, you can access declarative agents by just opening the right-hand side menu. Very easily, you can create an agent tailored with the information and knowledge you prefer for performing specific tasks with these benefits. Declarative agents utilize the same friendly user interface with Microsoft 365 Copilot. Also, they utilize enterprise data from Graph connectors and SharePoint files. You will also have the possibility to extend declarative agents using plugins to retrieve data and execute tasks on external systems. And maybe the most important for me, security, privacy, and compliance is the top priority. These declarative agents inherit all data protections provided by Microsoft 365 Copilot, and you will also have all the visibility and control within the Microsoft Admin Center console. Alright, so we agree that declarative agents are amazing. So then, when to choose the other option? I mean, the custom engine agents? Short answer, if you need more, if you need something extra, you want to explore other base models but the GPT ones, you can create a more sophisticated agent that can offer advanced functionalities such as UI manipulation, task execution, and content creation. They are built on a bring your own model premise, and with the Teams AI library and Azure AI services, you can craft a custom AI chatbot for Teams and Microsoft 365 applications that is entirely independent of Microsoft 365 Copilot, including the LLM and orchestrator. At the end, these custom engine copilots are conversational Teams bots with custom LLMs. Therefore, they don't require Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses to build, debug, and deploy. Now that you understand what agents are and the difference between declarative versus custom agents, let's talk about another crucial topic and options. Let me introduce you the graph connectors. A big request from companies is Microsoft 365 Copilot is amazing, okay, but what if we want to expand the knowledge of my Copilot with not only the information from my Microsoft 365 ecosystem, but also from external sources? Graph connectors enhance Microsoft Copilot by integrating external data sources into our Microsoft Graph, allowing Copilot to access diverse datasets, provide comprehensive insights, and improve user search experience. Custom connections can be built using Microsoft Graph Connectors APIs. We will explore Graph Connectors more in depth in the fourth module of this course. Now, let me introduce you more important components of the Microsoft 365 Copilot ecosystem. Plugins are available as actions for declarative agents to interact with other systems, to read or write information in near real time too. Access real-time information such as finding the latest news coverage on a product launch, or retrieve relational data such as reporting on service tickets assigned to a given team member, and perform actions across applications such as creating a new task in your organization's work tracking system. Plugins for Copilot also come in a few flavors, including API plugins and Copilot Studio Actions. API plugins in Microsoft 365 Copilot enable interaction with REST APIs. They provide open API descriptions and plugin manifests. For example, a budgets API can query and create budgets. Copilot uses adaptive card templates for structured responses. Copilot Studio Actions plug into Microsoft 365 Copilot to extend its skills, leveraging Microsoft Business Applications, a suite of products and services that help you manage specific business functions, such as sales, customer service, finance, operations, and talent consisting on Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Power Platform. Actions for Microsoft Copilot in Power Platform leverage Dynamics 365 application and Power Platform components such as Power Automate flows, certified connectors, or prompts to define a specific business behavior that you can add to Copilot. But unlike Graph connectors, Power Platform connectors are real-time data retrieval with read-write actions. For example, you can create a connector that allows users to track an issue in real time and also let them create action, such as creating a ticket for that tracker. After reviewing all the extensibility actions and components, you might now be wondering, how do I develop all of this? What tools do I use to implement it? In this slide, we can see that we have two basic options. One is low code or no code, and the other requires developers who know how to program with code. If you opt for the low code, no code option, Copilot Studio is definitely your tool of choice. To create a declarative agent app package, you can select your preferred tool from the provided list. Get started by choosing one of the available options. For enterprises seeking customized bot solutions, the Teams AI library offers LLMs compatible with Teams and Microsoft 365, ensuring natural user interactions. Developers benefit from customizable model selection and accessibility. The Teams Toolkit provides pre-built templates for quick project launches, easy debugging, and deployment. We've learned a lot together in this module, so basically we have explored how Copilot and agents collaborate to create a personalized assistant, the types and capabilities of Copilot agents, and how to grant responses using multiple enterprise data sources. Thank you for joining us in this module. I hope you now have a better understanding of extensibility options of Microsoft 365 Copilot to create better solutions to work better and faster. Can I give you one advice? Remember the word agent, because it will be the most important trend for this year. Keep exploring these powerful cloud solutions to unlock new opportunities and achieve your goals.